Hey y'all, I got a package here today. I tried Hanacure a couple times and I really liked it. It's a face mask you see a lot of on Instagram and Facebook and such. And so I sent away for one a while back and I tried it out and I totally fell in love with it. Good stuff, great stuff. It's a little bit expensive. It's like $25 for one mask. And I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's worth it. If you take a look at a lot of stuff there on their Instagram feed, it's awesome. So the other day, I come across a little bit of cash and decided to treat myself with just something God, I don't think I've done it for 20 years now. Especially spending this much money on something. So I went out and I didn't went out and got it. I went out and sent away for it. I ordered it on Hanacure's website. And they actually gave me something to go with it. And it's some kind of a emulsion. I don't know if it's something new that they're going to start selling or what. But for the 4-pack, I think it's $120 altogether with the shipping. And it's supposed to be one mask a week. And so, I'll probably post some pictures up to see what the face looks like. My face, not the face. What my face looks like on week 1 as opposed to week 4. I do know that when I used the first mask, I noticed quite a bit of a difference in some different spots on my face that are issues for me, and since you can't see my face, I know that's kind of hard to understand, but there's 3 or 4 different areas of my face that they're just little issue spots, and I noticed from the very first mask that it really just made a big difference. And that was just one mask. So I can't imagine what 4 masks are going to do. Anyway, I just wanted to show it to you and let you know that, they have some in stock because a lot of times they're out of stock. So if you have a chance to get one, I say by all means, do it. Thanks for watching and spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.